years ago lies a square named for a governor, Governor Maia Magalhães. Could you ever have foreseen 99 years ago you would have this here square? In 1925 you took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. Friends meet up to sit around, couples share a quiet bench where love is gently found. The cafes buzz with chatter, the clink of glasses near. In the square of stories, every voice is clear. In 1925 he took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. Governor's legacy in every stone and tree, a place of joy and gathering for all the world to see. As night embraces Taipa, the square begins to glow, a timeless piece of history where the past and present flow. In 1925 he took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. If only Governor Maia Magalhães knew this, only a governor in 1925, 1926. If he had only guessed that 99 years later there would be a song about him and this square named after him.
Okay, we're in Macau. Magalhães. This is a little square, and it's named after Maia Magalhães, who was a governor 100 years ago. And I have it up on the map, so you've been seeing that already. And I also have lyrics, but the lyric is called 99 years ago, or whatever. And because I wrote it last year, so now it's 2025. So in the year 1925, he was the governor of Macau for 1 year. So this song was 99 years ago. He was a governor who knew that in that 99 years later he would be, memorialized in a square in Taipa. Anyways, the lyrics are here, so you can see exactly what that looks like. And let's just go explore. And it's January 1st as I film this. I'm gonna upload it a few days later. But there's line dancing and all kinds of shows and lots of people, and kind of give you an idea of the square. You can also see at the end, I'll have other days of what the square looks like. So it changes depending on, what's going on the weekend and weekday and everything like that. Okay, let's get right into it. Walk and talk on this busy day in Taipa, Macau. And usually what I do with this channel is I usually film streets. So we have Chinese New Year because it's January 1st. And we're on this little square right here. And if you heard the song, let's see, let's walk in the square. So if you heard the song in the preview, this was actually made from a governor 100 years ago. And the song is 99, but I made it in 2024, now it's 2025. So it's actually 100 years ago that this governor was here. And this is a square named after him. Next performer's coming up. Let's kind of explore. So a lot of times on holidays they do have events like this. So I think we're going to come back in a second, but I'm just going to kind of give you an idea. So we're in this Taipa village area, and there's all these little alleys everywhere. So you can meander these, and a lot of tourists do, and they're very photogenic. And then this little square right here, they'll have a lot of events. So today it's January 1st, 2025, and so we'll have the, let me just go down this way. We'll come back through the other way. Yeah, this is this little Taipa village area. So Taipa village, I think it used to be like firecrackers and oysters is what it was known for. And the ocean used to come right up to it, not too far from where I'm standing. But then it became engulfed by the city, and it's much more urban today. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just explore a little bit, kind of meander down some alleys. Now it starts up again. Well, anyways, I did want to show you that there's all kinds of cool little stuff around here, so we'll just explore and come back around and we'll try to capture some of the line dancing again. But yeah, here's another square here too. Yeah, you can see it has a very village feel, and the cars can't come through, so it's just... And there's a lot more down that way. That's sort of the line dancing like that. We are going to come back in there in a second. I'll just walk through some of these little places down here. Happy New Year! I filmed his street not too long ago, so so I showed it to him. So anyways, this is this kind of main street. It's called Food Street. It's called Kunigai. And then the little square is right around the corner. So I think we're going to try to navigate a little bit. And then we'll see you later. Happy New Year! I should go down and say hi, but I want to go back and film the street that we're targeting. But I'll probably go down there a little bit later. Say hello, maybe film that street again. Crowded today. So we're going to navigate back. But at least you get an idea. Oh, you can see all the firecrackers, all the Now we're back. Just trying to capture. So you kind of get an idea of all the stuff that's going on around here. So pretty cool. We're gonna navigate this way, and then I'm just gonna kind of film all the drums. So there we go, a little square of Macau.
For 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there.